We've just acquired this absolutely stunning Jaguar 2-litre diesel XF. It's the Prestige model. It's absolutely stunning condition considering its age and mileage. Outside is absolutely gleaming black. It in no way looks like the mileage that it's done. It is absolutely fantastic condition throughout. Got the twin exhausts at the rear. It's got the rear parking sensors and reverse camera. You can see the boot area is absolutely immaculate. Light leather interior, looks like it's never been sat in. It's fantastic condition. Looks like new. Heated rear seats as well. It's got the proper carpet mats. This car is great value for money. Got electric windows all the way around. It's done 98,550 miles, which reflects the price. It's got paddle shift on the gearbox. It's got satellite navigation, full media pack, reverse camera, different ways of driving it, cruise control, automatic headlights. Really is in stunning condition. Full media pack there. Just wants the disc for the nav. All the air vents closed and open. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.